Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of immersion blenders and exploring the very best models of 2025. Whether you're whipping up creamy soups, making smoothies, or tackling everyday kitchen tasks, these hand blenders are game changers. Let's get started and find the perfect fit for your kitchen. The turelar Immersion blender. Handheld is a powerful and versatile kitchen tool, perfect for tackling everything from soups and smoothies to baby food and sauces. With its impressive 1,100-watt motor and trigger variable speed control, you can easily achieve the perfect blending consistency for any recipe. This 5-in-1 blender comes equipped with handy attachments, including a chopper, whisk, and frother, making it a true multitasker for whipping cream, frothing milk, or emulsifying dressings. Designed with an ergonomic grip for comfort, its corded power ensures uninterrupted performance every time. Easy to clean and built for durability, the turelar Immersion blender is a must-have for anyone looking to simplify and elevate their kitchen prep in 2025. Next, the Bella Immersion hand blender is a versatile and portable mixer designed to handle a variety of kitchen tasks with ease. Featuring a durable stainless steel build, this handheld blender is perfect for making smoothies, shakes, baby food, and even fresh juices. The included whisk attachment adds extra functionality, allowing you to whip cream, beat eggs, or create frothy beverages effortlessly. Its ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, while the electric-powered motor provides consistent performance for quick and efficient results. Compact and easy to clean, the Bella Immersion hand blender is a reliable addition to any kitchen, making food prep simple and stress-free. The GAVASTO Immersion blender comes next. This is a versatile and powerful kitchen tool that makes blending, mixing, and chopping effortless. Featuring a robust 1,000-watt heavy-duty copper motor, this blender is built to handle everything from soups and smoothies to sauces and baby food with ease. Its 20-speed settings and turbo mode allow you to fine-tune the blending power for precise results, whether you need a smooth puree or perfectly whipped cream. The scratch-resistant stainless steel design ensures durability and protects your cookware, making it a reliable choice for daily use. Equipped with 3-in-1 functionality, it includes egg beaters for whisking and a chopper attachment for prepping ingredients quickly and efficiently. Compact, easy to use, and powerful, the GAVASTO Immersion blender is the perfect addition to elevate your cooking experience. Next up, the Ganiza Immersion blender. 5-in-1 is the ultimate multitasking tool for your kitchen, combining power, precision, and versatility. Featuring a 1,000-watt heavy-duty motor, this blender handles everything from blending smoothies to chopping vegetables with ease. With 16 speed settings, you have full control to achieve the perfect consistency for soups, purees, or sauces. Its durable stainless steel blade ensures smooth and efficient blending, no matter the task. The blender comes with a comprehensive set of attachments, including an 800-milliliter mixing beaker for mess-free blending, a 600-milliliter chopper for prepping ingredients, a whisk for whipping up batters or creams, and a milk frother for creating cafe-style lattes and cappuccinos at home. Designed with a comfortable grip and easy-to-use controls, the Ganiza Immersion blender is as user-friendly as it is powerful. Whether you're tackling everyday cooking or experimenting with gourmet recipes, This 5-in-1 blender is the perfect companion to simplify and elevate your culinary creations. Lastly, the KitchenAid Go cordless. Hand blender takes convenience and performance to a whole new level. Designed with a rechargeable battery, this hand blender offers the freedom to move around your kitchen without being tied to an outlet. Perfect for blending soups, smoothies, and sauces, it provides the versatility to handle a wide range of tasks effortlessly. Compact and lightweight, the KitchenAid Go is built with a sleek, ergonomic design, making it comfortable to use for extended periods. Despite being cordless, it delivers powerful performance that rivals corded models, ensuring smooth and consistent results every time. With easy-to-use controls and KitchenAid's trusted durability, this blender is ideal for busy cooks looking for convenience, without compromising quality. Whether you're preparing creamy soups on the stove or whipping up a quick smoothie on the go, the KitchenAid Go cordless hand blender is your go-to tool for reliable and efficient blending. And that wraps up our list of the best immersion blenders for 2025. From powerful motors to versatile attachments, these picks are designed to make your cooking faster, easier, and more enjoyable. Let me know in the comments which one caught your eye, or if you have a favorite blender at home. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more kitchen gadget reviews. Happy cooking, and I'll see you in the next video.